All you gotta remember again is to keep your knees bent and the arms out. This way.
From the heart is in the breath. So I say, buddy, study, think and learn, dig the move we made. Stunning those that just can't behave. Discipline. Here's a hand. It goes from the damn and too tough. All up in you with the formula coming from me, cause no one told ya. Of a logo of serious saying, this ain't no joke, Jimmy. I ain't playing. I'm hardcore, straight up the wall.
All you gotta remember again is to keep your knees bent and the arms out. This way. Don't fall. The taller they are, the harder they fall. So make it.
My sister
Keep your knees bent and the arms out. This way, you don't fall as hard. The taller they are, the harder they fall. So make yourself short.
Take or die. Or die. Go for Mega Million.
It's been a long time, I shouldn't have left you without a strong rhyme to step to. Think of how many week shows you slept through. Time's up, I'm sorry I kept thinking of this. You keep repeating your miss the rhymes from the microphone solo with. So you sit by the radio and on the dial soon. As you hear it, pump up the volume. Dance with the speaker till you hear it blow. Then plug in a headphone, cause here it go.
Why have to keep on working when it makes no sense to me? Why have to see the world the way they want it to be? Why can't it go and let me live a life of peace?